Hi, this is Eric with DiffuserDoc.com, and today we're going to take a look at replacing the ultrasonic disc in a doTERRA Lumo diffuser. So to get started, we're going to go ahead and take the top off, and then we're going to remove the 4 rubber feet on the bottom. And this is the kit. It comes with the new disc and the screwdriver that you need to do the replacement. This is a disc just like this one and the screwdriver. The reason you may want to replace your disc is that after a period of time, maybe about a little over a year, 2 years, depending on how much you use it, the disc wears out, and then it just stops working. Either the light will just give you a quick flash, it thinks that it's out of water and it just shuts itself down, or you'll have a reduced output of mist. So to get to the disc to replace it, you want to take these 4 feet out. You saw that I used the screwdriver to pop them out. Undo these 4 screws, and we can take them out and put them over here to the side. It helps to have a little work area or a small tray to hold the parts as you take them out. And then once we have this open, we want to unplug the disc from the circuit board by pulling right here and removing the disc. And we'll set this aside, the diffuser assembly. What we want to do is take these 3 screws out, and just unscrew them real quick, and we want to keep the orientation all the same. So notice that the wires from the disc are coming out that way. We want to preserve that orientation and put the new one in exactly the same way. So the old disc, this is actually not, there's really nothing wrong with this disc. It's a pretty new diffuser. But so to take the old disc out, if you notice that this may be stuck in here from oil residue, pop your finger in here and pop it out from this side, and try not to pull on the wires, especially if it's a new disc that you're trying to replace and do some work to. So the old disc is out, new disc goes in, wires come in the same way. There's a small groove right here, and that is where your wire wants to come through so it doesn't pinch. And then we put the cover back on. You want to be careful not to over tighten any screws and strip any of the plastic out. We just want these, you just want it just finger tight, nothing crazy. These screws go back in really nice and easy, just finger tight. A really good silicone seal on there will prevent leaks. It's all and when that's all new. The plug for the ultrasonic disc, it plugs in, and it can only go in one direction. If you can see here, there's a small gap right here. You want to line that up with this small spline right here on the connector, and make sure that that spline plugs in this way. So that's plugged in. I believe these wires went this way. Line these posts back up, and then make sure that everything is nice and tight, nothing's pinched. Then we want to flip it back over, return these screws. Now I'm just going to put 2 of these in for interest of time here, and get this back together so we can test it. So we'll give it some power. And then fill it with water up to the, don't go above the little red mark. If you do it, you won't get much mist at all, really. It's not powerful enough to go push water through that. So lid on and give it a test. Okay, looks like it's working great. So that's how we replace the ultrasonic disc on a doTERRA Lumo diffuser. The link to the part will be down in the description below, and if you have any questions, you can reach us at support@DiffuserDoc.com. Thanks for watching. Follow us on Facebook and subscribe, like, and share if you can. Thanks.